Hello, welcome to our channel. My name is Wayne and my wife's name is Kathy. This channel is about the things that we use that are in the house that we built ourselves. If you like what you see, if you like the item that we'll be discussing, please click on the link below. Today's review is about the 12.5-inch pendant lights installed above our kitchen island. These lights have a brushed nickel finish on both the shades and the rigid metal down rods. We use these pendant lights to flood our kitchen island and for general purpose lighting. The pendants have a modern farmhouse design with an industrial look. The down rods are adjustable as they come with the lights, and they can be arranged between 15 and 59-inch lengths. These pendants come with a 4-watt Edison-style bulb having 400 lumens of capacity. They can also use other bulbs up to 60 watts. A 5-inch round canopy is included for the ceiling connection. We like these lights a lot, and think you will too. Just click on the link in the video description to buy. Thank you for watching.
More videos are on the way. Please click on the link in the description. Thank you for watching.